Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. All right, it is Mask Monday. We have some stuff to open down here. We have a mystery box, a giveaway win, an Eyescream Beauty bag, and just something I ordered. But first, we're gonna stick on a mask. Okay, we have the Real Nature Aloe Mask. I could use all the moisture I can get. This is something you're supposed to stick on your face for like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. We're just gonna stick it on there and see how long we want to leave that on there. Squeeze some of this extra serum out of it. Sue said half of the struggle is getting the mask unfolded, and I think I have to agree with her. Now, this is a collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas, so they will be linked below. There's a playlist, and you should definitely go check all of them out and see what they have going on for their Mask Mondays. Send them some love. Whew, this thing is cold. It's been in my beauty room here. And I have my little mask cover here, so we can look like Hannibal Lecter. Not Hannibal Lecter, we can look like that, yeah. It's an Egger suit. If you get that, we can be friends. Alright. So, first things first, we have the Eyescream Beauty bag. We got ourselves a little card that says what we got and the value of each item. We have the Zeesea Cosmetics Must Be Cindy Lip Kit. It is valued at $12. Alright, so this is in the shade, the kit is called Not Declining. And we have a lip pencil, and it looks like a metallic liquid lip. Or maybe it is a, oh, it's a gloss. I can't really smell anything. So that is the shade of the gloss and the shade of the lip liner. Next, we have Beauty Creations Makeup Remover Wipes, and they are valued at $5. They are watermelon. I'm excited about that. Alright, the next thing we have is the Beauty Creations Blushing Duo. The value is $10. And we have Passion Pink and Coral Flush. I'm just going to leave them here in the package and put them in the giveaway bin. I have so many blushes, it's not even close to funny. And the last thing that we have is the Beauty Creations Yvette XO palette, which is valued at $25. Pretty. Oh, that's cute. And then those are the shades. Looks like Valentine-y. It's very pretty. I don't think I have very many things by Beauty Creations, so that's going to be fun. Alright, so I ordered a mystery box from Klarity Cosmetics, and it wasn't enough to, it didn't feel like it was enough to just buy the mystery box. It was 25 bucks, so I got the Deadly Rose palette as well. Now, all of that came in this box, so I was kind of assuming that it would be packed really well. It was not, however, packed all that great, and my palette ended up coming shattered, and when I ordered a replacement, it came shattered as well. luckily enough though. Debbie sent me a thing to repress shadows, so I'm going to try to do that with the palette. I wasn't all that impressed with the mystery box. This is what I received in the $25 mystery box. I'm not saying that the value of these items does not reach exactly the value that they said would be in the box. For me, the value wasn't there. So the first thing I got was a lip gloss in Crushed Jewels. And that is what that looks like. Now, I'm not really big into lip glosses, so I think I'm going to take a look at these and put some in the giveaway box and some maybe I will send out to friends or maybe family. This is Pink Lava. And then there's this one, which has a different box, but it's still lip gloss. And this one is called Space Rain. This is like a blue purple one. Kind of reminds me of Debbie's hair back in the day. And then we have this Cyberite Lip and Cheek Pot. And it is in the shade Copycat. Looks like a balm. I think I will try and keep this one. And then I will put these in either a giveaway or give them to one of my sisters or my nieces or something. Alright. And then the next thing is I won a couple of giveaways from Debbie from Debutawn. And this is what she sent me. I got a card. And it says, "Congratulations, Tish. Thank you for being patient with me. Sending this out. I hope you enjoy your new goodies. I miss you. Love you so much, Deb." And I wasn't understanding because she texted me or messaged me and she said, "Oh, thank you for being patient." And I was just like, I literally just won this thing yesterday. What? How is that being patient? She's like, "Oh no, you won a prize for something else." And I was like, "Oh, I thought I won bragging rights for winning Hangman." So we played Hangman on her channel on a live. And she sent me the little cards that we played Hangman on. I'm going to frame these. I get bragging rights. She also sent me some little awards digitally. It's like a little... oh, what is it called? Like a little piece of paper saying, "Congratulations, you won Hangman champion." Oh. Okay. Have Beauty Concepts. Sorry, it's a nail polish. I need to clean it up. It was in this little package with a Kaleidos highlighter. But the highlighter didn't make it. So it's just a silver, kind of purpley silver and like gold flecks in there. That's kind of cool. And then this is the Space Age highlighter in Mars Melter. I'm not going to take it out of that bubble wrap quite yet. I'm going to see if I can get in there and repress it. And then, of course, I got this cute bag. This is You Are Beautiful, which everything came in. Then I got Laura Lee liquid lipstick in the shade Blushing. I don't have anything from Laura Lee. And I got another one in Spicy Pink. Oh, these are perfect. Love me a nude shade. And then another one in Old Rose. Oh, I really like that one. Alright, and then I got from Give Me Glow a lip liner in the shade Dirty Pumpkin. And that is that shade. Oh, I'm gonna swatch these liquid lipsticks as well. That is the Spicy Pink. That is the shade Blushing. And that is the Old Rose. pretty. Alright, and then we got this from MOB. I think it's a lip balm. Oh yeah, it's a lip balm. Which we're going to hide from Evan because that kid is a lip balm stealer. And then from Charlotte Tilbury, we have Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. And this is the first thing I've ever gotten from Charlotte Tilbury. Oh no, I think I have a Charlotte Tilbury like little lipstick. It's like a little tiny lipstick. Oh, that's so pretty. And those are the shades. Oh yeah. Those are pretty. Very neutral, but very pretty. Those liquid lipsticks left a little bit of a stain. Alright. So I am happy with most of the stuff I got in the Eyescream Beauty bag. And I definitely want to thank Debbie for all of the little goodies in my giveaway box. I was not so impressed with the Klarity. I don't think that I will be ordering from Klarity anymore. I had some issues with the palette, and then the issues with the replacement palette, but that's not the whole problem. The rest of the problem is I had to argue with them about whether I had bought the insurance, and I had to send them proof that I had bought the insurance. Well, if I paid you, then you should have record of what I paid for. So that was I don't think I'm going to be ordering anything else from them. It's their shadows seem to have this problem where they just don't want to stay together, and you know, it's not the first Klarity palette I've had a problem with. Yeah, they do give away palettes every once in a while, but I mean, if it comes broken, I guess it's still free, but you know, it's a little irritating, and I hold grudges. But anyways, it is definitely time to take this off. And it was definitely something I needed today. So, like I said, this Mask Monday is brought to you in collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas. The playlist will be below. Go check them out. Go send them some love. You know, they are all very awesome women, and I'm very honored and grateful to have been invited to join. So if you don't have the Beauty Ninjas already, please go check them out. They are all amazing women, and they should all be celebrated. All right, so that's enough of me, blah, 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 you know, mouth running. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.